Good morning. Dear student, today I am going to discuss one of the topic. My topic is blood. As we know that blood is very essential for our life. It is also called life fluid. Actually, blood is a reddish, opaque, slightly alkaline fluid connective tissue. It is slightly alkaline. तो अब बात करेंगे कि ब्लड आखिर बना हुआ किस चीज का है, आखिर ब्लड का कंपोजिशन क्या है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी टॉक अबाउट द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ब्लड। देयर आर टू कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ब्लड, वन इज प्लाज्मा, अदर इज ब्लड corpuscles. Plasma and blood corpuscles, there are two components of the blood. Now we talk about the composition of plasma. Plasma, it forms 55% of our total blood. 55% of our total blood. Plasma is a pale yellow fluid matrix. It contains water, proteins like albumins, globulins, and fibrinogen. It also contains glucose, amino acids, and lipids. Now, functions of plasma. Actually, plasma is responsible for transport of nutrients, minerals, vitamins, and other essential substances. It also transports waste material from one place to another place. Now, second one is corpuscles. There are three kinds of corpuscles present in our blood. One is RBC, second one is WBC, and third one is platelets. RBC are biconcave in shape. The shape of RBC is biconcave. It is biconcave in shape, circular and denucleated cell. It is denucleated cell. Its size is about 5 micrometer. Most of the cell organelles are absent in RBC. Most of the cell organelles are absent in RBC because nucleus is not present. Now, they contain respiratory pigment, hemoglobin. The respiratory pigment is called hemoglobin. Due to presence of hemoglobin, RBC is red in color. The full form of RBC is red blood corpuscles, or it is also known as erythrocyte cell. It is also known as erythrocyte cell. Now the number of cells is 5 to 5.5 million cells in per millimeter cube. 5 to 5.5 million cells in per millimeter cube. Blood formation of RBC takes place in bone marrow and is destroyed in liver and spleen. Lifespan of RBC is 120 days, and the function of RBC is transport of gases. Actually, hemoglobin have higher affinity of oxygen and carbon dioxide. That's why it is only responsible for transport of gases. Now, another is WBC and platelets. There are two types of WBC. First is granulocyte, other is agranulocyte. हम लोग अगले वीडियो में WBC और प्लेटलेट्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।